we discussed many topics in the structure of atom, that is mainly quantum numbers, different kinds of quantum numbers and what they are represented, that we already discussed. Now let us come to one more important topic, that is how to write the electronic configuration. To write the electronic configuration, we are following some of the rules. Out of those rules, the first principle is Aufbau principle. Generally, we may think that Aufbau is a name of a scientist. No, it is not the name of a scientist. It is a German word. Aufbau is nothing but a German word which means building up. How the stairs are there, one by one, step by step, how the stairs are there, means whenever you are increasing those energies of the stairs, like that only orbitals also arranged in the form of their increasing order of the energy. See, it explains that orbitals are filled in the order of increasing energy. That means, first of all, we should come to know how to calculate the energy of those orbitals. Sir, what is the need of calculation of energy of orbitals? Why? Because in these orbitals only electrons are present. If we know the energy of an orbital, automatically we can say whether that orbital is occupied with that electron or not. So for that, compulsory we should come to know how to calculate the energy of an orbital. In this, the first statement, if you observe, energy of an orbital is calculated by its n plus L value. Energy of an orbital is always calculated by its n plus L value. Let us come to do the table. Basing on this sentence, energy of an orbital is calculated by its n plus L value. Let us come to the first orbital. The first orbital, that is 1s. Here, principal quantum number, that is n, is 1. For s, L value is equals to 0. Here 1 principal quantum number, s sublevel, that is nothing but angular momentum quantum number. For s, L is equals to 0. Next one is what? N plus L, that is 1 plus 0, that is equal to 1. That means energy of 1s orbital is 1 quanta. Here, energy of an orbital is calculated by n plus L value. Let us come to the one more example, that is 2s. Here, n is equals to 2. For s, L is equals to 0. Now it becomes 2 plus 0, that is equals to 2. Now, main level 2 again contain one more sublevel, that is P, represented as 2P. We already explained. Now here, principal quantum number n is 2. L means sublevel. Sublevel P, for P, L is equals to 1. Now it becomes 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. That means energy of orbital 2p is 3 quantas. Now let us come to the main level 3. As we already know, main level 3 contains 3s, 3p and 3d. Let us calculate these energy of orbitals. Here the principal quantum number is 3. For s, angular momentum quantum number L is equals to 0. Now 3 plus 0, that is equals to 3. For 3p, principal quantum number is 3. For 3p, principal quantum number is 3. For p, L value is equals to 1. Now 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4 quantas. For 3d, principal quantum number n is 3. Angular momentum quantum number L is equals to 2. Now it becomes 3 plus 2, that is equals to 5. Now, if you move on to the main level 4, fourth level contains 4 sublevels. They are 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f. Like that, now you are going on solving this main level 4. Here main level 4, for s sublevel it is 0. Then it becomes 4 plus 0, that is equal to 4. 4p, main level 4, for P sublevel L is equals to 1. Now 4 plus 1, that is equals to 5. For D, principal quantum number N is 4. For D, angular momentum quantum number L is equals to 2. Now 4 plus 2, that is equals to 6. For F, principal quantum number is 4. For F, L is equals to 3. Now 4 plus 3, that is equals to 7. We can understand energy of an orbital is calculated by its n plus L value. So different kinds of orbitals we calculated like this. Increasing orbitals, energy of the increasing of orbitals. Now let us come to the statement 2. As per the statement 1, n plus L value, we did the table. Let us consider statement 2. Electrons are assigned means taking inside, to the orbitals in the increasing order of n plus L value. That means, for example sake, with us lot of electrons are there. For example sake, 6 or 7 electrons are there. All these electrons first try to occupy the orbital of lowest energy. It try to occupy the orbitals of lowest energy. As per this, lowest energy is there for 1s. Why? Because here it represents only one quanta. So always all the orbitals try to occupy first 1s orbital. After completion of the 1s orbital, next energy level is 2s. Why? Because its quantas are 2. If 2s also completed, then there comes to 2p or 3s. Why? Because energy of 2p is 3 quantas. Energy of 3s is also 3 quantas. Now a problem is arised because energy of 2p and energy of 3s orbitals are same. Then electron has to choose which orbital first. That the question is arised. As per the first rule, we calculated the energy of orbitals as n plus L value. As per the second statement, all the orbitals should occupy the electrons, that is as per increasing order of their energy. As per that, first electrons enter into the 1s, next electron enter into the 2s. Then the problem is arising between 2p and as well as 3s. Why? Because energy of 2p is 3 quanta, energy of 3s is also 3 quanta. Then we will come to the rule 3. If any two orbitals have equal n plus L value, then electron choose the orbital of lowest n value. Lowest n value, if you observe in the case of 2p and as well as 3s, energy of 2p and 3s is the same, but lowest n value is there for 2p. So after 1s, 2s, electron enter into the 2p. Then after 2p, the electron enter into the 3s. Now let us example one more example here. 3p, energy of 3p is 4. Energy of 4s is also 4. According to the statement 3, the first electron should enter into the 3p. Then electron enter into the 4s. Why? Because lowest n value is there for 3p and next n value is there for 4s. Then again once you observe 3d and as well as 4p, energy of 3d is 5 quantas, energy of 4p is also 5 quantas. If you do like this 5s, then this value also becomes 5 plus 0, that is equal to 5. Now energy of 5s is also 5. Then if you observe here 3d, 4p, 5s. 3d, 4p, 5s. In these three, energy of orbitals means all same. Then as per the statement 3, electron should enter into the first 3D. Why? Because lowest n value. Then electron enter into the 4p. Why? Because as compared to the 5s, lowest n value is 4. Then enter into the 5s, that is 5. This table of Aufbau principle gives a greatest idea about the filling of increasing order of energy, but it gives a confusion also. Why? Because 1s is okay, 2s okay, then 2p, then 3s. Then the problem is erased. After 3s, 3p. Then the electron is not enter into the 3D. After 3p, the electron enter into the 4s. The problem is erased. It means there is a confusion is there. How to remember the increasing order of orbitals? For that purpose, Sir Euler given a chart depending upon the concept of Aufbau principle, how to represent or how to remember the increasing order of their orbitals in the name of Euler chart. Now we can see the Euler chart on the table and as well as on the board. We can discuss that. Nowadays we are following the Euler chart to write the electronic configuration of elements. Let us discuss next rule which is used to describe about the electronic configuration of elements, that is nothing but Hund's rule.